Earth by Ayan Banerjee, 8 Ringer.
The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that contains life that we know of so far. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is also the fifth largest planet in the solar system. The Earth is tilted at an axis of 23 degrees. This is what causes the 4 seasons. Liquid water oceans are unique to Earth and are up to 70% of the Earth's surface. The Earth is about 8,000 miles in diameter and has an estimate mass of 6.6 times 1,021 tons. The Earth is about 93 million miles away from the Sun, and if it travelled faster in its 584 million mile long journey around the Sun, its orbit would become larger and would move away from the habitable zone from the Sun. This zone is called the Goldilocks zone, and it is the exact temperature of where life is sustainable. The Earth's surface temperature. The temperature of the Earth depends on 2 main factors: how far the Earth is from the Sun, and also the tilt of the axis, which changes the seasons. The Earth's surface temperature can also be changed by many other reasons, such as the amount of Earth covered by light and heat-reflecting areas such as ice and glaciers. The amount of carbon dioxide and water vapor affecting the transparency of the atmosphere to both incoming and outgoing heat can affect the temperature as well. The most important factor is the distance from the Sun. The Earth's orbit around the Sun is elliptical. This means that it is like an oval, and at some points the Earth can be further away than the Sun than at other points. Another factor of the temperature of the Earth depends on how the oceans absorb heat. Water is very good at retaining heat, so maybe when the air temperature is colder, the oceans can keep a landmass warm as well. This is why the UK's winters aren't as cold as Central Europe's winters, which are inland.
There are 5 layers of the Earth's atmosphere: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. This is what keeps the air inside the Earth and also keeps meteors from hitting our planet because of the extreme friction when the meteor enters our atmosphere. This degenerates the meteor and turns it into grains of sand or dust. Earth is the only planet in the solar system to have tectonic plates. This is what causes earthquakes. So earthquakes can only happen in Earth in the solar system. Earth is over 5 billion years old. This enabled life to have a long time to evolve into what it is today. Earth also has volcanoes, glaciers, and oceans of water. This is what makes Earth one of the brightest planets in the solar system, because its glaciers and oceans of water reflect light of the Sun.
There are 6 layers of the Earth: the crust, the lithosphere, the upper mantle, and the lower mantle. The crust is very thin, and this is the surface of the Earth. Underneath that is the lithosphere, which is solid. Underneath that is the upper mantle, also known as the asthenosphere, which is made of plastic. Beneath that is the lower mantle, which is solid, and below that is the outer core, which is liquid, and below that is the inner core, which is iron with sulfur, nickel. The mantle is the largest layers of the Earth. The moon. The moon reflects light from the Sun at night so that it provides some light on the Earth. The moon also makes tides and is able to change the sea level of the Earth. Before clocks were made, the moon was used to tell the time. On the dark side of the moon, you can see many craters. This is because it has taken many hits of asteroids to protect the Earth. Water is very unique to the Earth and is extremely rare in a planet in the solar system. And not only in the solar system, but in the galaxy. Water came to Earth on millions of comets. Comets are celestial bodies made of ice, rock, and dust. The comets hit Earth due to the immense gravitational pull of Jupiter, which was angled at such a way that aimed the comets right to the Earth. This caused a massive spree of comets hitting the Earth, and in the end, it created the oceans. Conclusion. The Earth, in my opinion, is the most important planet in the solar system, not only due to the fact that we live on it, but also that it is a very special planet because it harbours life. Thank you for listening.